Hello, my name's Joanna Barclay, CEO of the Culture Leadership Group, global speaker and author of Conscious Culture, How to Build a High-Performing Workplace Through Values, Ethics, and Leadership, a yoga and meditation instructor with the Art of Living Foundation, leadership consultant, and equine facilitator. For 36 years, I've been engaged in business and leadership transformation. All this time, what has attracted me most to this work is people, how they are affected and impacted by change. As we move forward and emerge into a new world, I would like to plant some seeds of hope and create I see you moments of authentic, conscious leadership to help your teams rebuild in a world post-coronavirus. Can you remember the popular movie Avatar? For me, the most memorable line in that movie was, "I see you." What happens inside you when you hear somebody say those words, "I see you"? You know I'm not referring to your physical body, right? "I see you" refers to what's inside of you, your soul. The amazing thing about being human is that we live in two worlds simultaneously. The outer world of quantitative analysis, rational and logical thinking. And then the internal world that's qualitative, our sensations, emotions, experiences, and intuition. What is it about being seen that makes us feel so special? I believe it's that feeling of deep inner connection that being seen creates inside of us. We feel like they see into our soul and experience who we truly are. People often ask me why I work with horses to build conscious, authentic leadership. As an equine facilitator, we co-facilitate new learnings and insights by asking questions about the embodied horse-human interactions that people have. We invite people to put into words their internal experiences, giving voice to long-held beliefs that may or may not be true any longer. Quite often, these moments release emotions and experiences which lead to authentic realizations and new choices on how to lead more effectively and changes to lead a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Searching for answers only on the outside of ourselves negates all the knowledge that we've gained through our felt experiences in life. And it's exactly these felt experiences that we work with, and the horses help to illuminate. Sometimes all the noises around us keep us from ourselves. The voice of authority, memories of the past, they take our attention from our inner world. We spend so much of our time in our heads learning. Working with horses gives us time to access another source of knowledge, that inner world of felt experiences. We provide a learning space set in nature at Willoway Farm in Almont, Ontario, for leaders and their teams. We turn down the noise and help leaders find their own path, listening to what's in their hearts and minds. Feel it, believe it, trust it. Let us journey with you. I'm Joanna Barclay, CEO of Culture Leadership Group in Ottawa, Canada. I invite you to visit our website at www.cultureleadershipgroup.com and find out more about our online and face-to-face conscious leadership program.